how to make tables smaller in Google Docs. Hey everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, let's create a table over like this. So now if you want to reduce the size of table, simply select all the table and decrease its size like so. Now if you want to decrease the size horizontally, drag this like this and now select all of it, right click and do distribute columns. You can also do it as many times as you want. You can also do distribute rows to make it even smaller from the row side, and yeah, that's how you do it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.